What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Montoya. All right, I'm here with a pattern review for the Nova coat. Let's go ahead and jump into it. All right, first things first, let's talk fabric. So the black fabric, so I use two different types of fabric. One is 100%, well, they're both 100% cotton. And for the black fabric, I used about 3 1/3 yards of fabric because I used it for the outside and the lining. And for the mudcloth print, I used about 1 7/8 of a yard. All right, let's talk about the pattern. So the pattern is a coat and jacket. It comes in 2 different lengths. That's why it says coat/jacket. And I cut the size 1. And here are my measurements. Bust 37, waist 29, and hips 41. And that's today because, I fluctuate. Anyway, so according to the size chart, I should have cut the size 2 or 3, I believe. But after looking at others' reviews and them saying that it was a bit oversized, I decided to cut the size 1 because I wanted it oversized, but not by too much, So I went with the size 1 and it's perfect for me. I love the length. I love the amount of room that I have. I can layer it. I layered it with a hoodie, so it gave me enough space. And below here, you will see at the bottom a checklist that I have because I did use 2 different types of fabric. So I made myself a checklist with the main fabric contrasting, the lining, and the interfacing. The only modification that I made to the pattern was adding a cuff because I do have a slim wrist. My wrist is about 6.25 inches. And just from past experience, I know that I like a tailored look when it comes to my wrist. So my cuff measures 9.5 inches by 6.5 inches. And I folded that in half when adding it to the pattern. All right, let's get into the main star of the show, which is some pictures and some video. And I will see you all in my next pattern review. I hope you enjoyed this quick one. Until next time.